Hi everyone, back out on another hunt. I just pulled out a lovely, I think these are 14th to 16th century. The pin looks like it's still intact. Let's see if I can just spray it a bit. See if we can get it, a bit of the mud off. I'll say thanks to everyone that's been watching my videos. It's a new channel, so thanks for subscribing. There you go. I love finding little old medieval buckles, especially with the pin intact as well. Right, hopefully I can find some other nice things to show you. Okay, so I've had another find. It was in this field over here. I'm not going to show you too much, but these young'uns chased me out. They were doing me head in. So I just come to another field. It looks like the silver gurling on it. Loop at the top. I'll get it cleaned up and I'll show you what it looks like. So after a bit of a clean with the water, and I use a little twig just to clean it out, I'm stumped on this one. I'm not too sure. I was going to say it could be a watch, but if you know, just leave us a comment, or I'll go on the Facebook groups and see if I can get an ID. So far, I couldn't film too much in that field because obviously the cows are right up against me basically when I was detecting. So I'll show you, I've had a couple of coins. There's a couple more in here. Blank, which is a shame. But it's still only early morning, and I think I got another piece of another medieval buckle. I think this one's broken. Yeah, the leak would have come round probably that side. But there is ones that look like this where the sides end just there. Yeah, so that field has got a bit of history in it. I just got to hopefully get back on there when the cows on there, do me head in. And obviously musket ball as well. So that's it so far. Hopefully there's going to be more. So I'm going to try and make a longer video than I normally do. To the next fight. Got a pretty decent signal, it's in the plug, so oh, get in. That is, yeah, the sixpence. Look at that on a live dig. Spare me just 2 seconds. Right, I was just taking my gloves off. Sorry for the wind's pretty bad. Let's get a good close-up. There you go, 1915. There he is. Hey, it's not in bad condition as well. Get my trusty little squirty water bottle out. This is obviously, for those that don't know, just softens up the mud that's encrusted on the silver. Nothing worse than trying to clean a coin that has bits of soil and stuff on it, and then you clean it with your fingers and you just scratch the coin. Let's have a look now. Oh, look at that. That's a little belter. Not that old, but hey, it's silver, and it's 100% silver. Right, time to find some more. Another bullet. That's 3 for today, well, 2 musket balls, and this one looks like more of a modern one. Right, keep going. Just pulled up a nice little clog clasp. Some decoration on it. Not too bad.